Hello everyone, welcome to our company Electrosal Hi Private Limited. This is our product Boroscope for visual inspection inside the pipe. This is an actual instrument as a boroscope. We are providing 3 cameras. One is for axial and 2 for radial like this. The sharp LED panel also we are providing with cameras. This is the main motherboard of our product. Inside it we are providing 1 TB hard disk. We can save the visual inspection in the form of video, images, and here is a pen drive connection facility, so we can take these videos and images in pen drive. We are providing 20-meter long wire with this product, as well as we are providing either the big screen or for easy to handle purpose we are providing small screen. As per the customer requirement, we are providing any screen or any another screen as per requirement, as well as the length of the cable, or if customer want any customization in that product for visual inspection boroscope, then we are ready to do a customization in this product. Now we are going to see the working of this product.
The beauty of our boroscope is the diameter of boroscope is only 2 inch. Means in the diameter of 2 inch we are placing axial camera. After that remaining 2 radial cameras also. So we can see the visual inspection inside the pipe from 3 inch to 40 inch.